In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add due dates in Clickup, a crucial task management feature that helps keep your projects organized and on track. Let's dive right in and make this process seamless and stress-free for you. First, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. Open your web browser and type in the URL clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the Login button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign in. Now, if you have your Google account linked to Clickup for convenience, go ahead and select Continue with Google. This is a quick way to access your workspace without having to remember another password. Choose the account you want to use, and you'll be logged into your Clickup workspace in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to access your specific workspace. You can do this from the left panel on your dashboard. It's the first step towards managing the tasks within that workspace effectively. Click on your space from this panel. It's usually filled with all your active projects and lists, and it's the hub of your productivity within Clickup. The next thing we need to do is select a specific task where you want to set the due date. Browse through your task list and click on the task that you wish to edit. This action will open up the task's detailed view, giving you more options and information about it. Now, let's navigate to the Dates field. This is where all the magic happens in terms of time management within Clickup. The Dates field is integral because it allows you to set deadlines and plan your workflow. When you click on it, a calendar pop-up will appear, presenting you with options to set both start and due dates for the task. Choosing the right dates is crucial for maintaining a balanced and achievable schedule. So, go ahead and select a start date. This is when you plan to begin working on the task. Immediately after, choose the due date. This is your deadline, the point by which you aim to have the task completed. This simple yet detailed process just takes a few moments, but it significantly improves your productivity and project oversight. By setting due dates, you create a structured environment that helps you prioritize tasks and manage time efficiently. Remember, the key to successful project management lies in staying organized and having clear timelines for each task, and Clickup's due date feature is an invaluable tool in achieving that goal. And that's it. You've now successfully added due dates to your tasks in Clickup. Keep practicing this process, and it'll soon become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and happy task managing.